Hey everybody, it's Carolyn Crow, Program Coordinator for the Casey Community Center's Let's Cook at Casey program. I just wanted to show you really quick how I stretch a roasted chicken. Whenever I make a roasted chicken, we have it for dinner one night, and then I take the carcass and I turn it into stock, and I turn that stock into chicken soup. And all I have left of the meat is just like one breast, that's it. I've made this beautiful stock. I just put the carcass in a pot with some carrots, onions, celery, a smashed clove of garlic. It simmered for about 3 hours, and now I'm going to saute my carrots, celery, and onions, just like 2 cups of veggies. I'm gonna saute that just until it's softened, and then I'm gonna throw in my stock, and then I'm gonna boil some egg noodles in the stock, throw in my cooked chicken pieces. Voila, chicken soup, delicious lunch for a rainy day. So here I go. Okay, so while we were negotiating whether the boys were gonna eat chicken noodle soup for lunch, my veggies started to get a little brown, so I'm gonna add the stock to it. You don't want them to get too brown. You just wanna sweat them, soften them. I am talking to the camera. Once that comes to a boil, I'll add in my egg noodles. Just cook it according to the package instructions. If it says 6 minutes, boil it for 6 minutes, add in your chicken. That's it, you've made chicken noodle soup. Ta-da. Okay, so I'm just gonna add like 2 or 3 handfuls of noodles. That's how I measure it. 1, 2. Noodles down.
Noodles down. You did not cut that part out.
1 more handful.
Noodle soup.
You wanna come say hello?
Okay. Hello.
Are you the noodle cleanup crew?
Okay.
Noodles are done. Gonna throw in my chopped chicken. Like I said, it's just 1 breast, but that's okay. Some is better than none, and there's a ton of nutrition in the broth. Okay, just gonna let that cook for a minute to warm up. Come here. He's gonna taste for seasoning.
That's good.
It's good soup. We're gonna have it for lunch with toast. Bye.